Picture a mail carrier starting their morning on a quiet street. The houses are numbered in a neat row, and she begins at the very first one, house 0 on her list. She walks to that door, drops the mail, then steps to the next house, then the next, never skipping and never doubling back. House by house, she moves down the whole street until the last mailbox is filled. By the end, she has visited every single home exactly once, in order. That simple walk down a numbered row has a name in programming. It is called traversal. Traversal means visiting every item in an array one at a time, in order. Like the mail carrier, we start at index 0, the first house on the street. We do our small job at that spot, then step forward to the next index. We keep stepping until we reach the very last slot, then we stop. The result is that every item gets touched exactly once, with nothing missed or repeated. We line up our houses as an array, each with its own slot. We start our walk by looping over every item in the row. At each stop we do our job, here delivering the mail. Sometimes we want the slot number 2, so we use enumerate. Now we know both the position and the house at that position. After the loop ends, we have visited the whole street once. Traversal is just walking through every slot of an array in order, visiting each one exactly once. Restated, start at 0, step forward, stop at the end. You already do this all the time. Reading a book page by page or checking each item on a grocery list is array traversal. Subscribe to Tech with Joel.